What's up everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to share with you the fastest and easiest way to make a balloon flower. You're of course going to need your handy dandy balloon pump, two 260 size balloon twisting balloons. I've got links in the description to the supplies that I use if you're interested. Inflate your balloon to about 4 to 5 finger lengths tail, hit the like button for good karma, and let's get started. First we're going to make a loop in the balloon about the width of our hand. We're going to leave a little bit of balloon on the end. This is going to be the middle part of our flower. The actual petal is going to be about the width of my hand. I'm going to squeeze it with my first hand and twist this petal around with my second hand. So now we should have a 1-inch bubble and a loop. Now we're going to make another loop and we're going to twist it in with the same joint that we just made. Try to make your petals as even as possible. Put pressure on the outside of your balloon and use your other hand to twist around your second petal. Now we've got 2 petals. We're going to do this as many times as we can. Generally, I can get about 5 or 6 petals. There's a 3rd petal. Making each petal will become increasingly more difficult because we're running out of space to twist into this joint. There's our 4th petal. There's our 5th petal. And there's our 6th petal. Now, this looks like a jumbled mess and we have this random piece sticking out here. So what we're going to do is called a quick break. I've got a tutorial on the quick break method, or you can just snip the end with a pair of scissors to deflate this extra part. With the rest of this deflated balloon, I'm going to wrap it around this middle joint to prevent the petals from deflating. Now, let's orient our petals so that our 1-inch bubble is on top and our petals are actually going to be facing each other, like side to side like this. They're not going to be facing up. So what you end up with should be a petal that kind of looks like this with your 1-inch bubble facing the top. Grab a second balloon twisting balloon. I'm choosing green because a lot of flower stems are green. Inflate it however the heck much you want, but make sure that you're leaving a little bit of tail at the end. Take your green nozzle and slide it in between some of your petals and then wrap it around this center joint that you made. Now to create 2 petals on your stem, we're going to make an S in our green balloon. Grab the middle of your S and put pressure on it. This is where our twist is going to be, and twist both sides in opposite directions. And there you have your super quick and easy balloon flower. Don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel for some more super easy and fun balloon tutorials. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and check out some of the contests that we've got going on using the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you in the next video.